Hey guys, Tracy Williams here with Trace Automation. Here we are working on quoting a project today. Just thought I would talk about that process a little bit. So the quote that we're working on today is an upgrade to an existing plant. We've got about 1,000 IO on this system. The way we quote a upgrade like this is we look at the number of IO and we assign a time amount to do each IO point for the programming, and then that gets multiplied, and that's how we come up with the time for the PLC programming. We do something similar for the HMI side of things, and the HMI, then we also look at how many screens we have to have. Then we have to quote our main hardware components for whatever hardware we're upgrading. We've got to quote time to build the panel, and then we also, this system here has 2 virtual machine servers and some clients in it. That is the most difficult thing. Quoting the hardware for these servers has driven me nuts today. So then we put all that together and that becomes our quote. There's lots of good quoting software out there, but honestly, we just use Excel. And we were just sitting here talking about it this morning, and we use Excel for everything. I guess we're Excel experts. Well, we do our project proposals in Excel. We do our quotes in Excel. We track our project costs, our labor rates, per diem, resource management. So, if I want to see where our engineers are today, I open up an Excel spreadsheet and I can see that. So, at any rate, for quoting, we do all the quoting in Excel. Then the pieces, the good parts of that get tagged over into a Word document that is the actual quote process. When we get to the end of it, in order to calculate our markup, we have papers in all of the shoes up here, and I just draw out a piece of paper, and that tells me what the markup is going to be for that project. So I'd love to hear how you guys do it. Y'all have a good day.